Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this important video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix language bar is missing in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, we need to proceed at the button search bar and here, please type for settings. The moment you have typed it, you need to proceed with the best match. Click on Open to continue. By the way, you can also press Windows and I key together, and in that way or manner, you would be able to bring up the settings. Once you are here with the settings, please proceed at the left side of that, and here you need to locate for time and language. The moment you do that, you need to proceed with the third option next to language and region, which is typing. So click on it, and here at the typing option, okay, you need to proceed with advanced keyboard settings. Click on it, and the moment you do that, you would be able to see the advanced keyboard settings, where here you can see a list of the options. So there is a highlighted option, highlighted blue one, which are language bar options and input language hotkeys. And since we're dealing about the language bar which is missing, then we need to navigate to language bar options. So click on it, and the moment you do that, you would be able to bring up this small window called Text Services and Input Language. Here, it consists of two sections, which are Language Bar and Advanced Key Settings. So we need to proceed with Language Bar, and here you need to turn on this Floating on Desktop. Again, turn on the Floating on Desktop. Once you're done, you need to navigate here and check these two options, which are Show Additional Language Bar Icons in the taskbar and show text labels on the language bar. Once you're done, click on apply and then OK. Once you have set it, please close the window and check if your language bar is now being seen here in your Windows or computer. In my case, yes. Okay. So that's it. Hopefully this video helped you a lot. If yes, don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Don't forget also to leave a thumbs up and leave a comment at the comment section below if you have succeeded on fixing your language bar which is missing in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day everyone.